Our new HushTone 2-speed motor causes less disruption with 69 decibels of sound when you want it and more performance when you need it. With no need for tools, protecting your investment is even easier. Before turning on the vacuum, you should always conduct routine maintenance checks to ensure it maintains maximum performance. Okay, first slide a business card over the bristles to check for brush roll wear. If the bristles don't touch it, it's time for a replacement. Slide the bottom tab down, then push the two orange tabs toward the center to take off the bottom plate. Pivot the brush roll out of the nozzle and belt. Now check to see if the belt is worn or broken and replace it if needed. Then place the new belt over the motor shaft and thread the brush roll through the belt, aligning it here. Realign the brush roll and slide it back into the nozzle. Set the height adjustment wheels back into position and refit the bottom plate, locking it back into place using the tabs. Next, check to see if the filters are dirty or damaged. Push here and pull out the HEPA media filter. Rinse it under cold water with the pleated side up, then let it air dry completely for 24 hours. It's best to replace the carbon filter at least once a year. Align the two tabs with the bottommost openings and tilt it back, pushing firmly. Then realign the HEPA media filter. Push it back firmly and push up on the tab until it clicks. Then find the inlet filter behind the bag door. Pull up on the filter grate and take off the filter. Rinse them under cold water and then set them both aside to dry completely for at least 24 hours. Refit the inlet filter and press the grate firmly into the housing.